Yun guys, Santa Cruz na naman. Fishing time. Another day. Another day. Another. Yun. Ang dami nila. Ang daming fish. Ang daming fish. Grabing fish yan. Yan, mamaya na ulit. Wow. Ang dami guys. Grabing isda to. Kapag ang dami nila oh. Magsawang isda. Daming isda. Ay, si Lion na naman oh. Yun oh. Yan mga isda lahat yan guys. Dami. Yan guys. One shot. Hopefully. One shot namin dyan oh. Mga daddy namin. Dami. Ang gitna mo daddy.
It's not working.
Ha?
It's not working.
Not working? Kaya yan.
Sama lagi dyan?
One. Sige.
Ha?
Sige. Diyan sa gitna oh.
Quarter inch mesh.
Ha? Let's see. Yun na. Yee!
Christmas.
Yan guys.
Christmas tree already. I don't want to go the way, man.
Why?
Look, it's too much already.
Too much already? Let's see. Yan na guys. Yan na oh. Yee! Yee!
Help me out.
Help you? Wait.
Help me out.
Heavy.
Help me out.
Oh man. Ah.
Oh my god.
You fishing?
You,
Oh yeah.
you want some? Get some.
Later.
Yeah.
No, I mean it's only if you're fishing here, you don't catch live fish.
Yeah.
Second, any second. Nhưng mà cũng khó lắm. What kind of fish is this?
Anchovies.
Anchovy.
Yeah.
Anchovy là cái gì vậy nhỉ?
Chạy cá nục vậy đó nhưng mà
Sardine.
No, anchovies. Yan guys, pangalawang shot. 2 shot. Dami. Nothing? Yeah, all the way. Go ahead. Put all the way. Let's see what we're gonna get.
They're there, dude.
Yeah, all the way.
No, I don't want to go.
All the way.
I don't want to go.
Why?
Wait already.
Yan, yun na. Dami na naman. There we go, guys.
This one a little
A
bit.
little bit. Go ahead, you can do it.
So I can lift him up.
Yeah. There we go. Yun na. Video, sige, video. Yeah. There we go. Wow, that's a lot. Go ahead. Yes. Half cooler.
These yours?
Yeah.
They're minnows, right?
Hmm?
Minnows?
No, anchovies.
Anchovies.
Yeah.
knew it. I was like, these?
Yeah. Ay. Dami. Yan guys, dami. Uwi na kami. Okay na yung kalahati. Yung kalahating cooler. Okay na to. Kalahating cooler oh. Ayan si Dad. You're good? Go home, shout out. Yeah. Too much. That's it for bagoong.
Mama?
Yan, uwi na kami. Ha?